Welcome to SAIT. Technology is who we are and it's what we do. Officially known as the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology, we're a community of thinkers, creators, and champions leading change and reimagining the workforce of tomorrow.
SAIT has a wide variety of programs. We have four-year degrees, applied degrees, diplomas, certificates, apprenticeships, and micro-credentials.
Thanks to our industry partnerships and hands-on training approach, our students are employable from day one after graduation.
As a polytechnic, we focus on applied education, work-integrated learning, and real-world training.
Now, let's dive into our technology and media programs. These programs are part of the School for Advanced Digital Technology.
Launched in September 2020 and fueled by a $30 million donation by philanthropist and businessman David Bissett, the School for Advanced Digital Technology is a school where students can learn the digital skills and mindsets needed to succeed in today's fast-paced, tech-focused economy.
The School for Advanced Digital Technology brings together our programs in media and information technologies and is committed to accelerating and empowering everyone to thrive, create, and lead in our borderless digital world. We have a lot of great certificate programs in the School for Advanced Digital Technology. These programs are designed to be completed in 1 year or less. They include Business Intelligence, Data Analysis and Reporting, Database Administrator, Network Systems Specialist, Object-Oriented Software Development, and Web Developer.
Let's highlight our Database Administrator program. Industry relies on database technology to store, retrieve, and present information in a customized and user-friendly format. The Database Administrator program develops your knowledge of relational database design, system performance, backup and recovery, and database security.
Graduates from this program pursue job opportunities as Oracle Database Administrators, Database Developers, Data Analysts, Database Architects, and many more.
Think this program might be for you? The ideal Database Administrator program applicant is a motivated, mature learner with an IT background specializing or upgrading existing skills. You're an analytical, technically proficient, and detail-oriented person. You approach it problem-solving creatively and logically, adjusting depending on the circumstance. You're ready to transform the online world through database administration.
And speaking of the online world, why not take the digital world by storm with our object-oriented software development program? Through this program, you can build a career in software development with training in object-oriented programming, web-based application development, and rational databases, while using up-to-date development tools and standards.
Graduates have pursued opportunities as software developers, programmers, IT consultants, web developers, and system analysts. All of these careers are taking off in our tech-focused economy.
This program is great for applicants who can think logistically and can concentrate for long periods of time. If you enjoy developing innovative solutions to problems using computer programs, this program will be a great fit for you, especially if you are detail-oriented and can remain patient and persistent when debugging code. It's also an excellent program for those who like self-directed study and can learn independently.
Now we're switching gears a bit. We also have a host of diploma programs for you to choose from. These programs are typically 2 years long and are information-packed. We have a mixture of information technologies and media diploma programs, including film and video production, graphic communications and print technology, information system security, information technology services, new media production and design, radio, television, and broadcast news, and software development.
New media production and design is a great way to be tech-forward and creative. This diploma program promotes critical thinking to develop engaging content for web-based user experiences and provides comprehensive training in the tools and techniques used for web design and development.
New media production and design is project-based and has lots of hands-on training. You'll work in teams to produce media products. This teaching style means that you can pursue a variety of career opportunities like graphic design, web design, corporate communications, and digital signage design.
We know that you need the most industry-relevant, tech-focused education, so we've got you covered. With industry input to meet the demands of the current and growing labor market, we've launched 2 new diploma programs.
The first one we want to tell you about is software development. In this program, you're going to learn from experienced instructors about leading-edge technology and processes to develop computer software, databases, and applications in various computer languages. You'll gain skills and knowledge in software analysis and design, object-oriented programming, web development, database design and programming, software testing, security and deployment, so you drive business value. You'll also learn how to support an organization's applications, websites, and data platforms.
The jobs you can pursue when you finish the program include software developer, software quality assurance analyst, junior developer, technical writer, front-end web developer, and full-stack developer.
Our next new program is the Information Technology Services Program.
You'll develop a broad knowledge of IT, cloud services, information security, and emerging technologies to drive business value. Become an information technology professional and play a critical role in today's tech-driven economy, helping end users work effectively with complex hardware, software, and networks using various tools and applications.
When you graduate from this program, you'll have the opportunity to pursue jobs like service desk technician, desk side analyst, junior network analyst, monitoring operations center analyst, data entry specialist, inventory control specialist, network operations center analyst, and audiovisual technician.
We're very excited to be offering these innovative programs. They're all about new and emerging technologies, and you'll have a huge advantage when you graduate.
If you're someone who already has a credential, whether it's a diploma or a degree, you may want to look into one of our post-diploma certificates. These will help you stand out in the job market. In information technologies, we have cybersecurity for control systems, data analytics, information security analyst, and technology infrastructure analyst.
Let's dive into the data analytics program because it's a great way to stand out from a crowd of applicants. If you're someone who wants to tell a story and build insight from data, this program just might be for you. You will focus on 2 different types of analytics. The first is predictive analytics, which uses statistical models and forecasting to better understand possible future scenarios. The second is prescriptive analytics, which uses optimization and simulation to recommend potential outcomes.
It's no coincidence that some of the world's largest and smallest companies have one thing in common: an abundance of data. They use that data for strategic operations, but someone has to make sense of it all, which is why our grads have high success pursuing careers as business analysts, data analytics specialists, data and reporting analysts, data stewards, business intelligence analysts, and more.
Before we wrap up, we want to highlight one more program, the Information Security Analyst Post-Diploma. We all know that cybersecurity is in growing demand as more and more of our business goes online. In this program, you can become an information security analyst and help enterprises to identify information security threats and risks. You will learn to investigate cybersecurity events or crimes to IT systems, networks, and digital assets. You'll learn how to adapt industry standard frameworks to propose practical solutions to mitigate risks.
There is an extremely high demand for information security workers across North America. Our graduates pursue cybersecurity opportunities in all sorts of industries, from healthcare and public administration to manufacturing and transportation or business, supply chain, and finance. There are also many related careers such as cyber forensic investigator and computer network administrator.
We've covered a lot of information and we're able to shine a light on some of our great programs in information technologies and media. We hope that there is a program that stands out to you.
If you enjoyed hearing about what separates SAIT from other post-secondaries and how prepared you'll be for a future career when you graduate, we want to have you here and see you succeed with SAIT. Apply now.
Thank you for watching our information session on careers in technology and media. If you're looking to learn more about SAIT, head to SAIT.ca today.